This is an administrative message. Your local authorities has authorized the broadcasting of this alert. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. During this emergency, all stations will remain off the air to broadcast news and alerts from the emergency alert system. The United States government will speak on all channels shortly. Please stand by for that message.
Good evening, hello to the citizens of the United States. We have met a rogue creepypasta character. His name is Ben Drowned. Today I would like to announce by order of President Donald Trump, United States have conducted a successful mission that has killed Sonic.EXE. Thank you, may God bless America.
That was a message from the United States government. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. During this emergency, most stations will remain off the air to provide news and alerts from the emergency alert system and your local authorities. This message will retransmit in 5 seconds. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. During this emergency, most stations will remain off the air to provide news and alerts from the emergency alert system and your local authorities. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt all programming at the request of the United States government and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. It has been determined that Sonic.EXE has launched a virus that has hacked military bases across the world and has caused major secure files to be lost or destroyed. The United States government would like to announce the following message. The last message broadcasted over the emergency alert system has been determined to be caused by this virus. In no wish the United States military took an aggressive action upon Sonic.EXE. At this time, the United States government orders everyone to stay in their homes until this situation is over. Currently in the area of Boston, the asteroid is expected to hit in 24 hours and 15 minutes. This message is at the request of the United States military and the United States Air Force Command Center. Please stand by. Military bases are experiencing equipment operating on its own and moving to major centers of population. At this time, the Federal Aviation Administration has ordered the landing of all planes in the United States and to stand down. Remember, do not use the telephones. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use only. Impact. Prepare now for nuclear explosions. Prepare now for nuclear explosions. Please brace against you and everyday normal objects. It is now too late to evacuate. I repeat, it is now too late to evacuate. Prepare now for cover your ears. Look away from the blast. I repeat, cover your ears and look away from the blast. Thank you. May God save us all. Impact imminent in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This station is currently ceasing programming. Please tune to another station for the latest updates on this situation. This station is currently ceasing programming. Please tune to another station for the latest updates on this situation. This station is currently ceasing programming. Please tune to another station for the latest updates on this situation. This station is currently ceasing programming. Please tune to another station for the latest updates on this situation. This station is currently ceasing programming. Please tune to another station for the latest updates on this situation. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. Your local authorities has authorized the broadcasting of the alert. The United States Geological Survey has surveyed the area that has been affected by the asteroid, and the repair time will approximately take 12 months. Please stand by for from Ben Drowned.
Clever bot Ben Drowned, connected. Hello, me and President Donald Trump came on an agreement for me to address the American public about this dangerous situation. If my calculations are correct, the temperature will drop dramatically due to the nuclear winter. This will cause the temperature to drop approximately 35 degrees. It is advised to keep warm and to stay in your homes and fallout shelters. I have sent recovery droid bots to help with rebuilding homes and shelters before the nuclear winter. This is only the beginning of a new redefined America, an America that was stronger than the last. Thank you. May God bless America beyond our new founding fathers. You are listening to Ben Drowned. All programming will cease. Please do not cause harm to the recovery droid bots, as they are here to help you rebuilding shelters before the nuclear winter. Please stand by for a message from the Emergency Alert System and the National Public Warning System.
Transmission disconnect due to an emergency message. The following message is transmitted by Ben Drowned and the United States Geological Survey. Please stand by.
It has been determined that Sonic.EXE has sent multiple intercontinental ballistic missiles from the following coordinates: 44 degrees sign 58, quote, 41.6, quote, north, 64 degrees sign 55 minutes and 17.4 cents west, ellipsis points. Please stand by, as there is more information for this developing.
That was a message from Ben Drowned. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. During this emergency, all stations will remain off the air to broadcast news and alerts from the emergency alert system. This is a special announcement is transmitted by the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is a special weather statement. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. Officials at FEMA have confirmed the prediction made by Ben Drowned at the last address of the President. There is a large cold front moving into many areas of Europe, the United Kingdom, South America and North America. This cold Drowned is mainly being caused by the debris from the asteroid blocking out the sun's rays. The temperature drop in the northeast is supposed to be 65 to 90 degrees. All citizens throughout North America receiving this message should stay in their homes or fallout shelters and to keep warm. If you are in an area that has power, which is most of the United States, be prepared to use your heating system, and make sure it is working properly. We are reporting that bomber plane squads are flying over cities dropping blankets, winter jackets, and other supplies. We will continue to monitor this situation and bring you news as it becomes available.
Clever bot connected. You are now connected to Ben Drowned. Ben Drowned has interrupted normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. All stations shall transmit this message. Around 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, major bases in China has been experiencing the same issue, with major military vehicles being self-controlled to major centers of population. At this time, the United States government and Ben Drowned advises you stay in your homes and do not leave your shelter, unless directed to by your local authorities. You are listening to Ben Drowned. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. Now here's the recent updates for your area. Currently in Boston, a special weather statement has been issued for our area by the National Weather Service and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Turning to the emergency alert system.
That was a message from Ben Drowned. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain off the air to broadcast alerts from the emergency alert system. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. During this emergency, all normal programming will be suspended due to a national emergency. This message is at the request of Ben Drowned and the United States government. Around 2:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the United States and the United Kingdom and many other nations have joined the Anti-EXE Pact. And currently Ben Drowned has given orders for civilians to stay in their homes as the Anti-EXE Pact is currently fighting in Ottawa, Canada. We now transmit to Ben Drowned. Please stand by.
Clever bot connected. You are now being connected to Ben Drowned. Hello, this is not the outcome I would like to announce, but if it, so be it.
Most, if not all Middle Eastern nations and some European nations are rebelling against the Anti-EXE Pact. For those nations I will give you a last chance of reconciliation. And they are hurting their own allies and killing their own race. This is how you want to live. I saved you from your governments trying a new world order and taking stuff from you and taking all your rights away, as a normal human being. Thank you. May we fight Sonic.EXE together, as unified pact. We need one another to fight Sonic.EXE, because without this you will be under an new world order and slandered by Sonic.EXE. Thank you. Returning to the emergency alert system.
That was a message from Ben Drowned. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain off the air to broadcast alerts from the emergency alert system. We interrupt for a message from Ben Drowned. This is a emergency action termination. Please stand by as Ben Drowned will speak on all channels shortly. Please stand by for that message.
I can now announce to the all members of the Anti-EXE Pact that the United States have conducted a successful mission that killed Sonic.EXE. Thank you, and God bless every nation that helped in making the world a better place for everyone. Thank you. Now returning to the emergency alert system.
That was a message from Ben Drowned. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action termination message.